Naranasan mo na to sigurado. Yung bang, yung pamilya mo may binubuksang garapon. Tapos, hindi nila mabuksan-buksan. Binigay kay nanay, binigay kay ate, binigay kay kuya. Tapos, darating ka, pinabubuksan sa iyo yung garapon na hindi mabuksan. Tapos, nabuksan mo. Nabuksan mo yung garapon. So, siyempre, feeling mo, superhero ka. No? Kasi, in a way, niligtas mo yung buong pamilya sa pagbubukas ng garapon. Kasi di nila kaya yun eh. Pero dumating ka, tapos binuksan mo yung garapon. Nabuksan mo yung garapon. In the mass readings for today, yung first reading is about joy. And then yung second reading is also about joy. Si Paul saying, rejoice in the Lord always, rejoice. And then in the gospel reading, in Luke chapter 3, verses 10 to 18, John the Baptist was asked if he is the Messiah, kung siya ba yung tagapagligtas. So sinabi ni John the Baptist na hindi siya, kasi meron darating who is mightier than him. So in a way, he was saying, I am not the Messiah. And merong Messiah who will come who is mightier than me. And this is the good news. And this is why we should rejoice. And this is why we shout for joy. Kasi, hindi tayo yung Messiah. Hindi tayo yung tagapagligtas. Hindi tayo yung makakabukas ng garapon. Hindi tayo yung darating bigla, tapos ililigtas natin yung buong pamilya, ililigtas natin yung buong mundo. Hindi. Magiging masaya tayo, we will rejoice and we will shout for joy because the Messiah will come and He is with us, God with us, Jesus Christ. Further, magiging masaya tayo dahil hindi tayo yung Messiah. Hindi tayo yung tagapagligtas. So it means, lahat ng iyong kahinaan, lahat ng hindi mo mabuksan, lahat ng maybe nakasarado, ibigay mo lahat sa Kanya, sa tagapagligtas who is Jesus Christ, fully God, fully man. Rejoice and shout for joy because God is with us, and rejoice and shout for joy because we are not the Messiah. Amen.